Dear all valued friends, welcome to attend today's seminar. This is William from Plum Medical. And before the clinical demonstration, here I'm very glad to be standing here to give you a brief introduction about this model, the Interventional Flat Panel Detector Serum System, PLX7100A. And for this machine, it can be widely used in peripheral vascular diagnosis and adjuvant therapy, and is often used in interventional hematology, respiratory, and other departments to carry out the vascular interventional surgeries. At the same time, it can be used in the orthopedic interventional surgeries or gastroenterology, gynecology, urology, and other departments to carry out the cavity-type interventional surgeries. So you may wonder how this machine can realize such wide applications. So now let's move to another part. I will show you how it can realize this. So for now, I will show you how we can realize such wide application. First, on the one hand, is the spatial and powerful image chain. For this machine, it comes with a high-frequency, high-voltage generator with 25 kV output power to ensure you more stable and high-quality X-ray source from the very beginning. And the rotary anode with a dual focus, small one 0.6 and the larger one 1.3 millimeters. And the thermal capacity can reach to 1000 kilojoules, so it means it can meet the high-intensity exposure needs and to ensure the long-time interventional surgeries performed successfully. And for the flat panel detector, we use large size 12 x 12 inch Charlie's dynamic flat panel detector, which the size is the biggest in the market, and it can provide you large field of view and best quality images. And also for the large human body part like the abdomen and the lumbar, once exposure can cover the whole human body part, so it can reduce the unnecessary radiation dose caused by the repeat radiation dose, which can make a good effect to protect doctors and patient health. What I also want to mention here is that there is a lifting range of the flat panel detector. So it means the flat panel detector can be left up and down. And so during the operation, the FPD can be much closer to the patient, so that it can help you to reduce the magnification, so that to provide the best quality of the images. And here you can see is our workstation. It's equipped with two 21-inch 2 mega medical grayscale screens, and also it can be rotated at a large angle, so it can facilitate the users to observe the images at different angles. And also the standard COM 3.0 interface is also available here, which can easily to connect to the hospital PAC system and realize the information sharing and the collaboration between different departments. Okay, about is the first part about the powerful image chain to ensure you realize such a wide application. And so now let's move to another part, how we can ensure you the wide application. Now let's move to the second part, is about the powerful and spatial functions about this serum system. Firstly, the PLX7100A equipped with a remote grid, which can be easily moved by your hand, which plays an important role in those sensitive patients like the children and elderly. With this design, we can not only provide you high quality images, but also with very low skin dose, so that it can make a good effect to protect doctors and patient health. Second, the CM frame adopts 5-dimensional electric control, and here are some buttons in the CM system to help you to control the mechanical movement. And you can see when I push these two buttons, the C-arm can be left up and also it can be left down. Totally here the movement range is 400 millimeters. And second is the C-arm can be moved. You can see the C-arm can be moved forward. Also the C-arm can be moved backward. And the next one is that the C-arm can slide along the orbit. You can see when the C-arm can slide along the orbit. And totally the range is 120 degrees. Next one is that the C-arm can be rotated. That means it can be rotated in a circle. That also means it can be rotated by 316 degrees, as we can see. It can be rotated. Because the table is lifting here, so I will not show you the whole circle, just to show a little range of this. As you can see, here is the four-dimensional mechanical movement, and the last one is what I have mentioned before. It's about the lifting of the flat panel detector. All this five mechanical movement is designed to help doctors to set the position very easily and quickly, greatly improve their work efficiency. For the third one, you can see here it's equipped with two 10.4-inch human body graphic touch screen. With this touch screen, it can help you to realize more functions, and you can see you can help you to choose different working models, and also it can help you to choose different human body parts for exposure. And when you choose the one exposure body part, the parameter is set. But the doctors can change the parameters according to their experience. You can see he can change the parameters according to their experience to ensure that it will provide you the best quality images, but also with the most suitable parameters. Except the control panel, here also it is equipped with a backside controller. With this, it can also realize some operation and functions like this touch screen. It can also help you to choose the working models and control the mechanical movement. And more important is that when you need to do the operations, you do not need to go into the C-arm system to realize this operation, like the mechanical movement or the parameters setting. You can just stand near the surgical table to achieve these operations. And more important is that it's equipped with some DSA roadmap, landmark, and these functions to help you to meet the DSA imaging requirement. And for this part, later our specialist Aaron will give you more detailed information about this part. And also, you can see the C-arm can be linked with the DSA injector. All this is to help you to realize the DSA imaging requirement. About this part, later Aaron will give you more detailed information. Please keep an eye on it. Okay, that's all my brief introduction about this C-arm system, PLX7100A. Thanks for your time and thanks for your listening. And next, we'll move to another part. We are very honored to invite our marketing specialist, Mr. Aaron, to give you the clinical demonstration. Let's welcome